Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the quickest way to ditch that boring stock clock and fully customize your lock screen. Stick around because there's a hidden slider in the latest update that most people miss, and it's a total game changer for your layout. If your screen is acting up or you're already using your phone, just head into settings, scroll down to wallpaper, and hit customize right under your current setup. Now here's where it gets fun. Tap directly on the clock widget. You got a whole lineup of styles here. Want it bold and modern or thin and sleek? Just tap to swap. Below the fonts, you can pick a specific color. Pro tip, swipe all the way to the right to the color wheel for a custom hex code that matches your wallpaper perfectly. You can even toggle between a solid look or a glass translucent effect. On the latest iOS, notice that little handle right below the clock? You can actually drag this up and down, dynamically change the size of the font. Most people leave it at the default, but playing with the scale is how you get the truly custom poster look. Once it looks perfect, just hit done in the top right corner. Lock your phone, wake it back up, and boom, your iPhone finally has some personality. If your lock screen looks 10 times better now, smash that like button and subscribe for more hidden iPhone tips. See you in the next one. Ever wonder how to disconnect WhatsApp from Instagram? Check out this video now.